you want a cookie?
I didn't think we...
Do you want to make me cookie? Oh, and it's over. You help me find. Don't worry about this heart of mine. Just you don't know how much it makes me horny. I would tell you, but you just don't understand. I'm going to jump out this window. You can. Let me go in this tunnel.
Unleash the beast.
Yeah. Take me.
I am.
Hi. How was your day? Want to shake my hand? Get to know me a little bit? Don't be trying a first move. How was your day? Yeah, I've had a hard day too. Yes, I've had
Give her kisses.
Yes, I've had Give me a hug. I know it's hard when your kid's deaf. Hey, first move. Is this your husband? Is this your husband? Oh, no, husband. Make out. You got it. Don't cheating on me. Who are you? Get off of my girl. Get off. Get off. I'm gonna get my vagina. Just because I ain't like you doesn't mean I don't wear shoes. I'm not laughing because it's funny. I'm laughing because you're a retarded. You know,
Fuck
if
you,
I
bitch.
could walk through that screen right now and punch you for watching me, you know my kids look good. What happened? Tell me? You want my body?
I want your body.
Give you.